Use 720p for better image quality. Story 28. Car collision accident 2022 SMKA SABK. SPM 1119 trial exam question. 250 words essay. Question 5. You have seen an announcement in a new English language magazine. Stories wanted. We are looking for stories for our English language magazine for teenagers. Your story must begin with this sentence: I never thought something like this could happen. Your story must include an accident, a person was killed, a suitable conclusion, collision between two cars. The best stories will win a prize and will be published on our website. Write your story. Notice: accuracy of Malay and Mandarin translation is not guaranteed. Essay is written by Mr. Sritharan A, L. Arumugam, B.Ed. TESL, Honours Degree Universiti Putra, Malaysia. CEFR C2 qualification. Certified English teacher. Email, srihero@gmail.com. YouTube channel, Melakaexplorer. Please click like, subscribe and share all my essay videos with all your friends and family, but let them watch it on YouTube. Please give generous donation to my CIMB Bank Berhad account, Malaysia. 7027996813 under my name. Thank you. Car collision accident. I never thought something like this could happen in our peaceful Malaysian town, where the days are usually filled with the familiar hum of busy streets and the aromatic sense of street food. On a typical sunny day, Eamon, a recent SPM graduate, decided to celebrate his newfound freedom by taking his father's Proton Saga for a drive. He was excited, his thoughts buzzing with plans for the future. Meanwhile, Mr. Lim, a respected elder in our community, known for his contributions to the local school and his love for durian, was driving to the Pasar Malam in his trusty Myvi. He enjoyed these routine trips, an opportunity to interact with friends and shopkeepers. Their paths crossed unexpectedly at a busy intersection near the Petronas Twin Towers. Eamon, distracted by a message on his phone about university admissions, ran a red light. Mr. Lim, his reaction time slowed by age, was unable to stop in time. The collision was sudden and devastating. The impact drew a crowd. Amid the chaos, it became clear that Mr. Lim had not survived. Eamon, physically unharmed but mentally shattered, was engulfed in a storm of guilt and disbelief. The tragedy struck a chord in our community. Eamon, haunted by the accident, turned his guilt into a force for change. He began volunteering with local traffic police, advocating for road safety and the dangers of distracted driving. His efforts sparked a movement among the youth. Our town, once shaken by this tragedy, slowly transformed into a model community for road safety in Malaysia. Eamon's journey from a carefree teenager to a responsible citizen reminded us all of the preciousness of life and the impact one moment of inattention can have.